What you're seeing on the screen now is the amount translator pay this website for them to translate some articles or content for them. They charge, like the normal price, they charge 0.06 euros per word, meaning for 1000 words they'll be charging 60 euros. So this platform pays you over 50% of the money. Okay, so I'll be showing you how you can register on this platform, and if you don't know how to translate, that's not an issue. I will show you how you can translate from one language to another without having the knowledge. Okay, so if you can see, they need a native speaker, experienced translator, recommended for. Okay, they have different prices. Okay, so it's very simple. Come over to speakt.com. When you come over to speakt.com, you will see this. We are hiring language talents. Okay, so they're hiring translator. So if you are ready, you just click on the sign up button here. But let's read more about the website. You earn money by translating the job you want from the thousands available, meaning there are thousands of jobs available. Work on our platform that is very open wherever you are in the world. Okay, this is second good part, is available worldwide. Okay, you can translate to speak to anytime, day or night. Okay, so there's no specific time for you to work. You can work at any time, and you can see they even have a community whereby you can interact with similar workers like you. Okay, that sounds great, right? Yeah, so it's very simple. You sign up online, you tell them about yourself and your skills in order to match with the available jobs. You can see no much testing, and you just have, okay, yeah, you have to test. Okay, get reviewed by our staff. Just take the online test and join the strictly translator team. Okay, and once you are approved as an independent contractor, you have access to your dashboard and available jobs. So the online test, they'll give you some question, like they'll give you some word to translate, I think within some minutes, to know whether you are fluent in it. So the trick about it is you'll be using a platform called Google Translator. So this is the platform here. Just tap on Google Translate on your Google search, and you can select from one language. See, many languages. You can still select from one language to another. Okay, let me see, from English. Okay, because an English speaking person. Okay, where is English? From English to, okay, let me put Russian. And if I write hello, let me say hello everyone, you can see it has translated it for me. So I don't need to have knowledge about Russian language. Okay, Google Translate will do the job for you. So what you just have to do is be fast with it. You type in the word, you just copy and paste. Very simple. It look right. Okay, so very simple. Just make sure you are fast and pass the test. When you pass the test, you have access to thousands of job, and you can make over hundreds of dollars daily working on this platform, because they have thousands of job. And you can see they pay, people pay over 60 euros per 1000 words. Okay, per 1000. And you can see this is just like 2 words already, these 2 words. So the thing, you can just type in, okay, let me say I want to copy something like this. Okay, something like this, I'll copy it. Okay, and when I paste it, automatically it have translated everything for me. I can see this is over, I think this is over 30 words. Okay, so it's very easy for you to translate on this platform once you know how to use it. Okay, this Google Translate. Okay, so if you have any issue using the Google Translate, just comment down below the problem you have, or if you want to message me one on one, my Instagram link is in the description of the video. You can do to message me there. Okay, so are you enjoying this video? They give one or two things. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so this video can reach more people interested in making money online. Okay, so another additional platform you can make use of is Aclaro. Okay, Acclaro. Okay, this is quite complex. Okay, many of you might not be able to access the website where, okay, it's like a big service whereby clients come over here to like request for translator job. Okay, it's a US based company. I'm not really sure if it's available worldwide. Okay, so just come to aclaro.com, tap on translator jobs, and you'll be brought over to this website. Okay, you'll be brought over to this website, and you see the different departments available: Chinese simplified translator. Okay, so for those who are experts and have knowledge about translating, you can also give this a try. This is an additional website I'm giving you guys, an additional website. Okay, you can give it a try if you're an expert. Okay, so there are other languages here, but the languages are limited: Chinese, French, German, English, Japanese, Korean. Okay, so not much. Okay, but it's also able to, like, you should give it a try, but mainly this is available worldwide. I won't want you to miss out on this. So if you want to sign up here, you just have to scroll down here, tap on sign up. Okay, it's very easy. When you tap on sign up, to take you to this new page here. Okay, take it to this page. Okay, you see the earning depend on the language pairs and is in between 0.03 to 0.06 euros per word. Okay, you have to enter your native language and your bilingual. Okay, you can add your source language, your target language. I mean, which language to translate from. Is it from English to Chinese? Blah blah blah. Okay, your skills. Okay, just have to submit it. Okay, very easy. Okay, so for you to do all this, to get your skills and everything, you can just search online like best software, blah blah, services and area of expertise. So the more quality and, yeah, the more quality stuff you put there, the more likely they are going to approve you. Okay, so you can watch a full tutorial on how to like register on SpeakT. Okay, they have a video available. This is just to show you the platform. Okay, so for the services, area of expertise and software, you can google that and do your research yourself. Okay, this is just to show you that this platform is actually paying. And second one, you create your profile, write your name, then account. So it's very easy to do, very easy. You don't need to stress yourself, and you can see you'll be earning in this range, meaning you'll be earning 30 euros to 60 euros per 1000 words, which is a nice amount to earn once working online. Okay, it's the thing. You can just wake up in the morning, do your normal job, come over to the platform, log in, take a job, and use Google Translate to like make the job easy for you. So that's all for today. Please, if you get something, don't forget to smash the like button, comment the country you are watching this video from so I can keep posting content available in your country, and don't forget to give this video to subscribe. Thank you.